gotta do this quick. My battery's running low and I gotta run to work, but look at all this amazing stuff I've been able to get at our local farmer's market. Lots of carrots, fresh green beans. I ate some of those already today. These are fresh lima beans I've never tried from fresh. The small round radishes, the other ones we actually grew. I ate all the rest of the greens from the radishes this morning, cooked them with our tofu scramble, so that's what's left. They were separated and all cleaned. All the onions, one red one, and then even the garlic. Lots of different squash. This is just our favorite score, and why it's like just so abundant over here in the Midwest flyover country. Those are $1.50 each, basically. All of these awesome squash, and they've been super delicious. Got some sweet peppers and one red bell pepper, a locally grown celery. These honey nut squash are also really, really good. Each bunch of kale is $2. The sweet corn has been amazing, really good, 50 cents a corn. An entire pound of this oxalate-rich spinach, $2.50 for this whole pound, this bag. And I didn't unbury my bag of turnips. Just such a bounty. We are so abundantly blessed here in the Midwest. Alright, well, you get the picture. That's our produce haul. I just had to share. I actually brought it all home last night, and I took it out this morning with better lighting and not being so tired getting home late, just to record this all for you to see. Hope you enjoy.